I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly reaching out to us to send us these really awesome emergency trauma shears. The Cavani 6-in-1 multifunctional foldable trauma shears are perfect for medical professionals, emergency responders and outdoor enthusiasts. Aside from being a really impressive emergency trauma shear, they are a ring cutter, a band cutter, a ruler, emergency tank wrench and a carbide glass breaker. These medical shears are a must-have for emergency responders, home living, travelling, campers and hikers. The trauma shears are made from a high quality 420 HC stainless steel, which is wear resistant, anti-corrosion and anti-rust for long-term use. The blade is 3 times harder than stainless steel, and it also has a non-stick surface that resists the stickiness of tapes and glues. The soft grip, non-slip contoured handles with large finger openings are especially designed to withstand rough treatment and resistant to 290 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures. The trauma shears come with a compatible holster which is very small in size. You can hang the trauma shears with a lanyard, clip them to your belt or carry them in your bag and pocket in the holster. It is very lightweight and convenient for use in emergency situations. The protective tool is not only convenient for you to carry, but also prevents the foldable medical scissors from hurting yourself or others. The secure blunt tip can remove bandages and dressings while not hurting the patient. It comes in 4 different colours to distinguish between multiple users, and overall is a very high quality, robust emergency shears. Thank you again for the team for sending these out to us. These are a vital part of anyone's home emergency kit.